this is Paula Hope, the Caravan Hooker, and I'm excited to announce that our pattern launch for the final piece of the Fine Wool eyelet collection is almost ready to go. Our C2C corner to corner design that is multi-purpose, a cowl, neck warmer and head warmer or headband. And I'm excited because, of course, as always, the pattern is well written, the photos are almost done, the video tutorial is almost complete, and this will assist you in your project as you take it on. This pattern is highly versatile, and I'm thrilled to let you know that there's lots of extra ideas and ways that you'll be able to use this pattern for further projects. Make sure you are following me on Facebook or Instagram, or of course you can get the heads up on YouTube. Happy crocheting, everyone.